Okay, everyone, this is my first attempt at a YouTube video. What we're looking at here is the Regulator and Pigtail from a 1997 Yamaha G16 golf cart. I looked around on YouTube, I looked around on the internet, every place that I could, and I found no good, clear photographs of this wiring harness, the Pigtail. As you can see here, this is the original. It mounts on the inside the box by the solenoid on the wall like so. But the main thing I wanted to show you was that the Pigtail wiring is from the flat side here. The red and white wire and the green wire go on the two posts on the back side of the regulator. The ground wire goes in the front one, just like so. So the red and green wires are toward the back. And then the fourth post here is the wire feed from the solenoid. So anyway, I just wanted to give everyone a much better look at the way this thing is supposed to be laid out. I hope this helps somebody. Sure as hell would have helped me. Thanks a lot for looking. Bye.